Hello and welcome to another cosplay vlog. I'm going to be going to Teesside Unleashed today, which is a convention in Middlesbrough, as the 12th Doctor. The question is, do I take my sonic screwdriver? Nah.
I'm all over screwdrivers. This ball belongs in your jacket. These days I'm all about wearable technology.
Roll the titles.
Fly on the wings of love, reaching the stars above, touching the sky.
Cosplay vlogs. Okay, so we are here, and I have an advance ticket, and Stephen here, he doesn't have an advance ticket, and he doesn't want to be on the camera, but he's being in the vlog anyway.
When you subscribe to this channel, then you have my permission to skip the advert.
Okay, we're looking for the cosplay competition because we need to sign up first. Because doctors, we have Doctor 12, we have Doctor 5, and we have Doctor 711. Sign up for the cosplay competition, and I have a guitar. Pity I don't have a tank, but you know, it wouldn't fit through the doors anyway. Hello. Michael, I'm not in this. Thank you. Hello. What is that look? I apologise for any discretion that has caused you.
I do remember you.
Hello. We all just sat on this iron throne here. And the Doctor steps up to remove Excalibur by Harley Quinn. Oh my god! What? What? How? Excuse me?
Oh my god.
I couldn't lift it. Because I'm the Doctor.
I want to try.
Am I the only one that's like insanely confused?
We have the Dr. Predator thing, and he is squishing Rachel's brain.
Meanwhile, he's another Doctor. Yep, this is 7. This is Ash.
Hello.
Combine. Oh my god, you have a Big Finish badge. Oh my god, I want one. Oh, I love Big Finish.
I've got one somewhere.
Oh, I love Big Finish.
Yeah, Big Finish is cool. On a on a mission to find more doctors, because why not? We found a lot of doctors now, and we're going to get a photo, I think. Oh wait, no, they're going to the side of thingy, the cosplay competition thingy. Taking a break and eating a cheeseburger, which is a complete rip-off. But I'm hungry, so I had to spend the money on it. Okay, so we've just been having a conversation about turkeys and chickens being cooked in the TARDIS, which then led on to what if you get a cross between a chicken and a Time Lord? Do your impression again. Do your impression again. Yeah, imagine it. Time Lord chicken. That would be quite a thing, wouldn't it?
You've got to think about it. It dies, it's going to regenerate, it's going to...
Yeah, wait, but if a chicken... But... Yeah, it would be quite cool, wouldn't it?
It has, instead of a sonic screwdriver, it has a sonic scream. A sonic caca.
But caca is a Sonic anyway, because Sonic is just sound.
But still...
Say hello. Wait, you still got my Sonic sunglasses. Say hello, Anthony. Hello, Anthony.
What? I'm getting the tickets, leave me alone.
Well, this is the thing. Kenneth, who was the 11th Doctor, has now swapped with Rachel. There's a...
You can't see the mic.
Very secret. Oh, Rachel. Such a good
I've just regenerated. I don't understand this technology yet.
It's not really. Rachel, have you seen what?
That's how you do it. We're now going for we're now going for a wander back into the convention room place. Yeah. Currently with the other doctors, and we're waiting to enter the cosplay competition as a group. So many doctors. Oh, another vlog.
Oh god, it's vlogception again. It's York again. No, what it is
Well, there's a group of doctors.
What's on the group of doctors on plane?
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, that's fantastic.
My goodness.
Thank you. That's brilliant. Give it up for the doctors, everybody. That's brilliant.
Swapping cosplays again. They're crazy. Just been having a photo session because we're all mad and wonderful and I love it all. Look at all the people.
This song could go on for a long time.
Heading out outside now to get some fresh air because we need fresh air because we are melting in here. Chilling by the fresh air because it's very boiling.
By the fresh air.
By the what?
The fresh air.
Okay.
That was what you did. The fresh air.
I'm so tired.
I could
I
tell.
didn't get you in my vlog.
What?
I didn't get you in my vlog.
Ah, no.
I vlogged today, but not much. I just wanted to dance like this.
My vlogs.
You can dance if you want.
My beginning of this is quite glorious.
Dance party to no music.
Silent dancing. Do the drunk giraffe. Stephen, do the drunk giraffe. Having one final look around before going home. Yay.
That's the ones
it-
I was doing on my own.
Shush. Right, so it's after convention food because yeah, we were hungry. Well, I was hungry. They didn't get food. But yeah, and Stephen wants to avoid the vlog, so naturally. Hello again. This is the end of the vlog because we're waiting for the bus now. It's been a great day as always. Next actual vlog will probably be in 2 weeks when I go to a convention in Newcastle called Dimensions, which is a Doctor Who convention. But I'm also going to be doing reaction videos still. There'll be one shortly after this vlog's uploaded for episode 3 of Doctor Who, if you want to watch that. Other than that, if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. Please like my Facebook page and Twitter, which are in the descriptions below. Other than that, bye bye. I'm with my partner for the quiz, Johnny Bravo. Hey baby, how you doing? Okay, we're now gonna.